Hello and welcome back to a new video. In this video I'll show you how to sign up into your Slack account. For that you need to open your app, and I'm having some glitches in my app, so I'm using this website. Simply enter your email address over here and tap on this continue button, and you need to make sure that you need to verify that you are not robot. Just verify that you are not robot, and it might take few takes to pass this test. And after that, tap on continue button, and they will send you a OTP code on your Gmail. Simply open your Gmail app and find that, and here it is, and you can simply copy it and you can tap on confirm and sign in. And I'm using this website, so I need to copy and paste it manually, and if it was app it would work that way. And after that you need to enter your on this next button and your company or team name on next button, and you can send them. And now you can send your team your invitation link, or you can simply add them manually from this, and you can skip this for now. And that is how you can sign up into your Slack. I hope this video helps you out. If you have any questions or queries, just let us know in the comment section. Thank you for watching.